Hey there, that's me. My name's Evan and I'm an online reseller. I know it looks kind of creepy me leaving this person's house and all, but I promise I'm just doing my job. I found something on Facebook Marketplace to resell, so here I am picking it up. More on that later though, because I also go to thrift stores looking for stuff to resell, and let's start there. So this is a new to me thrift store, never been here before. Let's check it out. Are all the golf clubs $5?
Unless they mark something else they are.
Okay, this one I think I picked out two that aren't marked at all, so that's what I was wondering. Okay, perfect. Thank you. So I've got no service in here whatsoever, but I think I'm gonna get those two deep reds. I've sold one before. I think it's gonna be good. I'm pretty sure every thrift store has a sealed copy of Jesus. If they don't, are they really a thrift store? So here's a Pioneer receiver, CD player, and two speakers. They want $348 for it. Maybe worth it. I don't know. I can't look it up. My phone just spins. Flying blind. So I got the Wilson Deep Red 2 driver and 3-wood, paid $5 a piece, and like I said, I'm flying blind. Had no cell phone service in there. I think I've sold this driver before for like 30 bucks, so I went ahead and grabbed the 3-wood too. I don't 100% remember though. I'll throw some comps on the screen and we'll discuss my success or failure at the end of the video. Holy cow. This looks good. Wait a minute. 30 bucks? $26? $20? 26? I have to do some research. So at this point, I'm doing the research on these golf clubs and I spot the manager. I stuck the GoPro in my pocket. I forgot that it was on and I actually got part of our conversation. Check it out. Question for you. Are you the manager guy? Yes, sir. Would you want to do one price on all the golf clubs? No discount for both buys and that?
Unless you're seeing on Tuesday.
Yeah, so you're all up like $300?
I can't do that, bro. I wish I could.
All right, well I appreciate you.
No problem, bro.
Don't hurt to ask.
No, it don't.
So the manager definitely was not cutting any deals that day, but in retrospect, that was probably better because after comping everything out, I was able to pull out a few gems, which was probably more profitable than just buying the whole lot. So I've got boxes of head covers. If you could get them for $1 a piece, that'd be really good. There's the head cover for a club I'm going to get. $4 for it. I don't think it's worth it. I mean, Taylor made, that's nice. $4. I'll look it up. I still don't think this could be worth $4. Some butter cover. Keep looking. So I did get some clubs, and I haven't looked anywhere else in this store, but I'm gonna walk to the back where they normally keep golf clubs. See if they got more back here. Nothing good. There we go, $5. Oh, here we go. On clouds. Oh, they're beat. That's peeling first. Peeling off. They're only gonna be $6.50. They could probably still sell. That's a lot of work. I'm gonna leave them. Look at the heel. Once again, condition. Focusing on clouds at the same thrift store, which never happens. And I can't buy either one.
30 bucks, and it's a swing out, so you can tilt it down and open your tailgate. Let's check it out. Couldn't find anything on eBay, but new, they're $265, $212. So if I can get 100 bucks for it, maybe locally, that'd be great. Holy cow! I just spent $200 at Goodwill. That might be the most I've ever spent at a Goodwill, and I only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clubs. But honestly, one of them should pay for the whole haul, and that does include the bike rack too. I really think I can get $100 for that on Facebook Marketplace locally. Bike racks around here sell really quick, and that's a nice fold out one too, so I think I'm gonna do pretty good on that. But I'm thinking it might be best to break down this golf club haul at the end of the video, because there's one in here that's I think it's pretty rare. It's pretty cool. But yeah, stay tuned. So here's a change of plans. I'm gonna go ahead and take pictures and get this thing listed on Facebook right now. Flagman Titan, hitch mount, 2 bike rack. Used, good condition, bicycle accessories, price $100. Publishing now. How long do you guys think that'll take to sell? It'd be awesome to sell it like before this day is over. Some knockoff Doc Martens. Call those mock Martens. $10 into 50, 60. Quick flip, I'll take it. Let's see what works. So there's no screen on this. I have no idea if it works or not. Sounds like it's playing though. I'm gonna get it.
So not too bad of a stop at the Salvation Army. I got the Magnavox DVD recorder. That's what that contraption was. I didn't explain it in the video, but it's a DVD recorder. You saw 28 listed, 40 sold, so hopefully it'll sell pretty quick. Paid $10 for it. Should hopefully get around 40 or 50, maybe a little bit more, plus shipping. And I don't know, hopefully it'll sell quick. And then I also got this Magnalite pot. I kind of swore to myself I wouldn't buy pots and pans anymore, but Magnalite's a good brand. It's a little 2-quart saucepan, and it was only $3, so couldn't turn it down. Should get around 25 or 30 for it. But let's go over those golf clubs that I found. That was kind of a crazy deal. Ended up with 7 golf clubs and definitely paid a lot higher price than I'm used to. But also don't forget to stick around for that Facebook Marketplace pickup. Remember, that's how we started this whole thing? Definitely one of the coolest things I've ever picked up. But golf clubs. Paid $20 a piece for this set of GX7 woods. Never heard of this brand before. Looked them up. Comps look really good. Currently have them listed for $199. Sold comps are a little less than that, but it is golf season and stuff should start flying off the shelf. Also, these are in basically mint condition. If they've ever been hit, I'd be surprised. Next up, got the Cleveland Highbore HLS 7 wood. Pay $20 for it. Should sell for maybe 50 or 60. And then this unique club that you can spot from a mile away because of this neon green insert is a square strike. It's like a pitching wedge or chipper. Paid $20 for it as well, but it should sell for, once again, around 50 or 60. These usually sell pretty quick too. Zebra Toe Connection 1 putter. And this thing is weird. It looks backwards. It almost looks left-handed, but it's not. A regular putter should look like this when you stand over it. This Zebra one looks like this. Like I said, it's definitely weird. Paid $20 for it. There's none listed on eBay currently, and 2 have sold in the past 90 days. One at 48 and 165 best offer. So I've actually got it listed high at 72 since I've got the only one on eBay. We'll see what happens. The belle of the ball, the cream of the crop, the best club.
Golf clap? Golf clap.
Paid $20 for this little brass putter, this little inconspicuous thing. You can see the Titleist logo on the side there, but this is actually a Scotty Cameron putter. You guys have heard me talk about Scotty Cameron before. They're the Grail of putters, and I've only ever found 2 in my entire reselling career, so this was a pretty cool find. It's actually based on the bullseye design that John Rutter put out in the 50s or 60s, I believe, and Scotty re-released it back in '94, left Rutter's name on it, and put his initials inside the little bullseye there.
That's the only way you know it's a Scotty Cameron putter. Value-wise, the last two that have sold for $140 and $130. There's a couple that are listed at $199. There's one at auction. I actually listed mine at $189, so I'm the cheapest buy it now on eBay. If I can get $140 or $150 out of this putter, I'm pretty happy with a $20 spend. Except I wasn't supposed to find any of this stuff. I wasn't supposed to go thrifting. I wasn't even supposed to leave my house. I was supposed to be at home sitting right here doing listings on eBay. But the night before, I was scrolling through Facebook Marketplace like I do 20 times a day when I'm avoiding doing any work, and I came across this ad. Now, I've never seen a unique clock like this, and it looked really cool, so I was curious. I immediately searched for antique calendar clock on eBay, and I got nothing that looked like that. So I screenshot the ad and Google Lensed it. Sure enough, I get immediate results that are very similar. Apparently, it's called a Cal clock. So I searched it on eBay, and there are no active listings, but there are two that have sold. Even this one that looks pretty beat up sold for $175 plus shipping. I immediately had to have it, even for $35. So I messaged the lady, and she agreed to let me pick it up the next morning. I figured worst case scenario, it would look cool on my office shelf. So this is it. This is the Cal clock. It was patented in 1938, produced by a company called West Clocks in the 30s and 40s. This one's not in great condition, and I don't think it works. It does tick when I turn the dial, but it doesn't keep time accurately. And I'm okay with that. I'm still fascinated by this thing. I paid $35 for it. I listed it at a crazy high price, a price that if it sells, I'm happy with that. If it doesn't sell, it'll sit on that shelf and just look cool. Like I said, I'm fascinated by this thing. But it's also the reason I was able to go to 3 more thrift stores while I was out and about and found some great profit. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.